In last lecture, we learn about the RBC and WBC. Here we learn about the classification of WBC which seen under the microscope. WBC again divided into neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil, leukocyte and the monocyte. We learn one by one about the this classification of the WBC. First is the neutrophil. Size is 10 to 14 micron, nucleus purple in color, multi-lobed, 2 to 7 lobes. In next slide we will show the size of the neutrophils and the diagram of the neutrophils. Function: antibacterial role, phagocytosis. When body gets attacked by bacteria, neutrophil are first cells to ingest and kill the bacteria. They are called the body's first line defense. WBC is also a defensive, defensive function. Neutrophil also is a component of the WBC. WBC means leukocytes. Size is, structure is 10 to 14 micrometer, nucleus purple in color, multi-lobed, 2 to 7 lobes. Function: antibacterial role, phagocytosis. When body gets attacked by bacteria, neutrophils are first cells to ingest and kill the bacteria. They are called body's first line defense. Neutrophil contains granule that release enzyme to help kill and digest these cells. Then dysfunction: what happens when neutrophils are not function properly? It causes low immunity, low grade fever and mouth sores. Then eosinophil. Eosinophil is a component of the white blood cells. Size 10 to 14 micrometer in diameter, nucleus purple in color, bilobed. Cytoplasm is acidophilic granular. Granules are coarse granules, do not cover the nucleus. Then function of the eosinophils. Eosinophils have anti-parasitic roles. Their granules release chemical MBP which are toxic to larvae of parasites. Eosinophilic chemotactic factor is a chemical mediator of hypersensitivity reaction. They are helpful in defending the bodies against allergic disorders. Eosinophils collect at the site of allergic and limit their intensity by degrading the effect of mediator and inhibit most of the degranulation. न्यूट्रोफिल का फंक्शन क्या है? वो एंटीबैक्टीरियल रोल है. एंड इओसिनोफिल्स हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शन, अगर कोई चीज़ की एलर्जी हो जाती है तो उसको कम करने का काम इओसिनोफिल करता है. देन it also helpful in phagocytosis, and if eosinophil not work properly means dysfunction of eosinophils causes parasitic infection. Then basophil. We finished neutrophil and eosinophil which are the component of the white blood cell, and third component is the basophil. Basophil also a 10 to 14 micrometer in diameter, nucleus purple in color, nucleus is irregular S shape, granules coarse 10 overcrowding. The nucleus granules contain histamine and heparin. Function: basophil granules liberate histamine which leads to allergic manifestations. Basophil liberate heparin which act as anticoagulant keeping body in fluid state. Heparin activate hormone lipoprotein which help in absorption, and dysfunction causes increase in allergic reaction. We seen in last slide, neutrophil is antibacterial property, eosinophil has anti-allergic, and basophil also activate heparin. Heparin activate and hormone lipoprotein which help in absorption, and due to this body keep body in fluid state. Here we can see diagram of the neutrophil, eosinophil and basophil. In neutrophil, nucleus is multilobed. In eosinophil, nucleus is bilobed, and in basophil, nucleus is just like S shape. Then lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is also one of the component of the WBC. How many component of WBC? Neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocyte and the monocyte. So we finished neutrophil, eosinophil and basophil. Now we learn about the lymphocyte. They are of two types. Lymphocyte are of two types. Here we can see diagram of the lymphocyte. Large lymphocyte is 10 to 14 micrometer in diameter. Small lymphocyte is 7 to 10 micrometer in diameter. Both large and small lymphocyte have same structure. Both large and small lymphocyte have same structure. Nucleus is single, very big, purple in color. Here we can see nucleus is big, purple in color. Shape round, oval, central in position. Nuclear chromatin is coarse and lumpy. Cytoplasm pale blue and very scanty. Function of lymphocyte. T lymphocyte produces cell mediated immunity. Activated T cell release lymphokines and attack cell fungi and infection causes death of viral or fungal cell. Then B lymphocyte provide humoral immunity. It encourages bacteria plasma cells form and secrete antibodies. Antibodies attack bacteria. Bacteria eliminated by phagocytosis. There are two types of lymphocyte and function of T lymphocyte and B lymphocyte are T lymphocyte produce cell mediated immunity and it attack on viral and fungus infection, and B lymphocyte provide humoral immunity. It eliminate bacteria by phagocytosis. These are the functions and structure of the lymphocyte. Then monocyte. Monocyte called a largest leukocyte, size 10 to 18 micrometer in diameter with irregular cell outlines. Nucleus pale staining, single round kidney shape present on one side of cells. Nuclear chromatin. Finally, reticular. Cytoplasm pale blue clear granules. Sometimes contain fine dust-like granules called Agar granules. Then function of monocyte. Formation of tissue macrophage. Monocytes after leaving blood enters extravascular tissue. In this they are called macrophage. Their main function is to remove various undesirable substances like old RBC, bacteria, foreign body by phagocytosis. Active phagocytosis monocyte follow the neutrophils in the area of infection of inflammation and constitute second line defense. Monocyte also kill tumor cells after sensitization by lymphocyte. Monocyte control the proliferation of neutrophil. This all about the composition or component of the WBC: neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil, leukocyte and the monocyte. We learn all structure and function of all the component. Thank you.